this is Libby's,
Ryan's, and Jacoby's
extra credit thing.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, so first, we are going to draw me.
We're going to make a Punnett square after that.
And
then we're going to describe what is on the Punnett square.
Exactly.
I have attached earlobes. So,
Recessive person.
Gonna be like I have Down syndrome. Okay. Oh, we found
After 21st chromosome. And we're going.
And then we have Ryan, who also has unattached earlobes.
Amen.
Alright. So next, we are going to draw the Punnett square.
Sing.
We are now making the Punnett square.
For heterozygous, for...
The parents are heterozygous.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll be using the letter E for earlobes. Libby says.
Okay, so these are two heterozygous parents right here.
Dominant recessive.
Capital, lowercase.
Alright! So now we fill it in.
By bringing this one down to this one, and this one to this one.
So now we're going to bring this one over here, and this one down.
You have good handwriting. Serious. So as you can see, if one dominant allele is present in the genotype of the person, they will show that trait.
So these children have a 3-to-1 ratio of getting unattached to attached. So this one down here, this kid will be...
That's Libby right there.
Yeah, this is me. They'll have attached. And this is either Jacoby or Ryan. But
This one's probably me.
we will show
more dominant
later
than
how
Ryan.
their pedigree and how they got those little alleles.
We are now doing the genotypic and phenotypic ratios of the heterozygous parents, starting with the geno.
The genotype would be 1 to 2 to 1.
Oh yeah. Look at that handwriting.
And for the genotype, you have to have the exact same alleles for each one.
Jacoby, why don't you explain to us what the 1, the 2, and the 1 stand for?
That is true.
The
The one, as Ryan told me to tell,
Exactly.
is capital E, E,
They can't
right
see you.
here.
They're talking
That
over
is
there.
right here. That's capital EE. The next, the 2, would be EE. Capital E, lowercase e.
Oh, I see.
The next one, which would be Libby in this case, because she has weird earlobes, would be lowercase e, lowercase e.
We are now on to the pheno ratio.
Alright, the pheno ratio in this Punnett square would be 3. This is a staggering number. 3 to 1.
How does that happen?
This happens as the dominant allele E, right here, is capital. So it's dominant.
Oh.
Which means they have unattached or attached.
Unattached earlobes.
Wow.
Unattached is dominant.
Crazy numbers. Oh, man. Again, with the capital H's in the word attached.
Just like Jared's name.
I saw attached with another T.
No,
It
that's
is not with another T. But
that'd be
so
catch.
it is unattached as the dominant alleles here show. And then the one over here would be Libby again, because she's recessive. And it is lowercase e, which is attached.
Oh,
More uncommon.
you were just too smart. Tell me how you figured this out.
I'll tell you how I figured this out in 2 seconds. We'll now go on to the phenotype.
Or as pheno, as Jacoby has written.
Pheno, yes. Okay. The phenotype would be a dramatic 3 to 1.
Wow, that's insane.
The phenotype is 3 to 1 because, as you can see, we have a dominant alleles.
Wow, Jacoby, you're
So
just
the
too
first
smart.
allele only matters for the phenotype, right, Kobe?
Yes, because it's dominant.
Uh-huh.
So it's whether they get the trait or not.
Right, and the dominant gene in this case would be unattached earlobes. So it would be unattached.
Nice spelling, Professor Jacoby.
This is why we have our friends.
You missed the A too. Attached.
Unattached.
Excuse the spelling, but unattached to attached.
What does a capital H do in the middle of attached?
We have to start this. We
No.
have to start the segment over.
No! Jacoby, that was good.
It was only phenotype.